गोंयांत डिसेंबरांत 9वी वर्ल्ड आयुर्वेद काँग्रेस अँड आरोग्य एक्सपो जावपाची आसा. तेची पूर्व तयारी म्हण पोरणे गोंयच्या एला फार्मात आवटरीच प्रोग्राम जालो. कला अकादमीत जावपी आरोग्य एक्सपोचो गोंयकारांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात लाव घेवचो आयुर्वेदीक तज्ञांनी उलो मारला.
पणजे कला अकादमीत 9वी वर्ल्ड आयुर्वेदिक काँग्रेस अँड आरोग्य एक्सपो जावपाची आसा. 8 ते 11 डिसेंबर मजगती जावपी ह्या एक्सपोत 400 आयुर्वेदिक स्टॉलां लागतली. आयुर्वेदाचे महत्व अधोरेखित करतले शिरोडच्या आयुर्वेदिक महाविद्यालयाचे असोसिएट प्रोफेसर वैष्णवी टेंगसे आणि हॉस्पिसियोची फिजिशियन सुप्रिया धोंड हांनी या एक्सपोचेर चड उजवाड घातलो.
We are here for the medical camp as an outreach activity for World Ayurved Congress, which will be held on 8 to 11 December at Kala Academy. So it's a sincere request to the all public to kindly attend the specialty OPDs which are specially designed for propagation of Ayurved, and it is the first ever event, as our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has also put it up, कि it is the good or the best times of Goa in regards to Ayurved field. So among the 5, that is Ayush, A stands for Ayurveda, and we stand strong here with the association with South Goa District Hospital, Goa Council of Ayurved, and Gama as well as Ayurved Vyaspeeth. All together we are here to host the event of World Ayurved Congress with great zest and enthusiasm. So everybody is requested to attend the Arogya Expo also and take the benefit of the same.
So we, in association with GM and RC, we have organized a camp at ICCAR at Ella Farm, Old Goa, and we are very enthusiastic and looking forward for the response of the patients for this outreach camp under WAC. There is an event coming up which is WAC, that is World Ayurved Congress. It will be from 8th to 11th December, and there is one part of WAC which is Arogya Expo, which is for the mixed public, and I would like to inform each and every Goan to go and take the benefits of around 400 stalls and just utilize the knowledge which Ayurveda provides you.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो.